We have RaysCorruptedMind R8 GT. Came in for a full makeover. We will be doing a wrap on it. He did decide to go with a stealth wrap PPF. Let's take a look at the car actually. So as you guys can see, he did get the R8 that is equipped with the carbon fiber package. So it comes with a carbon fiber front lid, side skirt, diffuser, wing. Not only did he get the best option out there, he went ahead and equipped it with the BBS LM wheels. It's a super clean setup. It is also equipped with the HAS kit on a V3. It is also equipped with the KW coilovers. So yeah, this is a bad spec, but I can't wait to see how it's gonna look with the stealth PPF. FaZe Adapt's GTR fired in for one thing and one thing only for now. He wants to go ahead and make this sound louder, loud as possible. What kind of exhaust did we get on this, Edward?
Our good friends at Valvetronic sent over a full exhaust from the cap back. It's obviously the best exhaust out there because you can control the valves. You can open it and close it. So whenever you want to be loud, you can be loud. Whenever you want to be quiet, say there's cops around, you can be quiet.
Now let's get some revs and see how it sounds now to how it sounds after the exhaust. It's not too exciting at all, but it will be.
I could probably send it out to get it repaired, fool, instead of having to buy a whole new piece. You want to try that? Yeah, because getting it, fool, is going to be a...
Yeah, I was also gonna tell you that if you guys could just look into it if you guys have time. But this seatbelt doesn't retract, bro. Like I don't want to f it up right now, but like pretty much like it doesn't go back up.
Okay, I'll take a look at it.
When you put it on, like it'll just stay loose, but it's a to put back in, so I don't want to. But besides that,
wheel, rear diffuser, seatbelt,
and the Valvetronic.
Oh, you guys got a Valvetronic for it?
Yeah,
finally got the full exhaust.
Shout out my boy right here. We made it happen. Valvetronic on the X7. Woo. I think that's it, no? Like after the Valvetronic it's done. Just keep playing with the color after, no?
See, honestly, I think that's it, bro. Like, what more can you do to it, you know?
Not much.
2025, gonna have everything.
Oh, and also the steering wheel. Can you give me a quote on the steering wheel? So might as well, since the car is
gonna be here.
Oh, and the hood. Oh, that's too much. Should I chill?
Nah, yeah, nice for the car.
I think it looks sick.
What kind of hood?
I want to get a carbon fiber hood.
Hey, what's the deal with these Labubus, bro? What is it called?
You gotta ask my girl, bro. She's obsessed with them.
Really?
They sell fake ones, real ones, but
how do you know if they're fake or real?
my girl, she's like a legit tester. She be going to the stores, checking out everything. I don't know, bro.
Yeah.
She just knows all that. But I'm excited, bro. All the upgrades. I think that's
sick.
it, though, bro. How much is the color of both cars in 2 months, though?
Yeah? Hell yeah.
I don't want to say the color yet because I don't want my copy, man. But yeah, how much is the color?
This color's hard, dog. This X7 looks like some presidential.
Bro, you know what's crazy? I get into long conversations with old people when I go to restaurants now. They just ask me about my life and everything, and I'm like, man, it's just like upgrades, you know? A lot of older people think that you could buy like this spec like from BMW.
Just like that?
Yeah. And then I had to explain to them like, oh, it's called like upgrading your car. Older people don't get it. Hey, so we're gonna have to take off these exhaust tips?
So the original one comes with utilizing these stock ones, but I requested to get the carbon ones, so we gotta remove this. You're gonna have the 2 carbon ones right here.
Also, they're gonna be quads?
Yeah, quad.
What has been done to this car so far?
We did downpipes, front mount intakes. We did a JB4 because this ECU is not tunable yet. We wanted to actually tune it right off the bat. He's like, send out the ECU, get unlocked, but we couldn't unlock it. So JB4, front mount intakes, downpipes. We did a full wrap. We did the wheels. We had done some suspension work as well. Carbon everywhere. It has like pretty much a full carbon kit on it.
The calipers actually, they came stock like black. That shit's ugly, so I got them painted.
Okay, they're red now?
How much do you think I'm in right now? Like,
I would say maybe a little over 20 or
20 bands.
Yeah, at least.
What is this, a 2025 X7?
M60.
Come on, Papa. Got these fools, gang. Oh yeah. The bands, it's not ready yet. None of that.
Nothing, bro.
That shit's boring. I want to return my C63S already.
You get something else or what?
Yeah, might as well just get an M3.
Get a G80, bro. You'll fucking go crazy,
No,
dog.
no, actually not M3, M5. But I want to get the F90 body.
The F90,
Yeah.
kind of like Cat.
Yeah, exactly like Cash.
Okay.
How much is he pushing? Oh, you haven't put on the dyno yet.
We haven't put it on a dyno, but with the JB4, they usually do about 100 horsepower over. Probably what, like around 650-ish to the
I
wheel?
want to ship out the ECU though.
Yeah, for sure I'm gonna ship that shit out. It comes with 900 map.
Bro, why didn't you get a G90, bro? They're crazy. We have all kinds of for that car.
I don't know. We'll see, bro. I'm gonna give it like a month more. Hopefully it comes out to the Benz. If not, then I'm gonna see what I can trade in.
I don't think so, bro, to be honest.
Boring, bro. Like the car's fast, but like I can't do to it besides put rims on it.
Why is it that Benz take longer to get like their stuff?
It's just that car's so new. It's like partially electric too, right?
It's a second-year C63 Performance, so it's like a hybrid. So
4-banger, turbo, new tech.
But it's fast?
it's fast. It's fast.
Bro, stock is fast. So I can only imagine once they do actually start unlocking the ECUs and we could tune them. Those things are made apart like 1,000. Honestly,
Hey, bro.
I wouldn't doubt it.
PQ, famous as they got Scott Discik son. I came at a good time before they started working with really big people, bro. It's crazy. When we were at home scrolling, taking a shit, and I just see Scott Discik on this story. I'm like, yeah, bro, what the f? Start working on cars, gang. But that's it, bro. I'm gonna order my Uber now because I need to take off. But
We actually have a
what
little
else
waiting
do you-
room now. Track carrier? See how heavy you think
Nah,
it
I'm
is?
already knowing it. Like the one of the homies just got one shipped to the crib.
light. Let's go get light.
This was gonna be flying through the fucking.
Yeah, that's what that is.
So which one?
Oh, yeah, you haven't seen this one ever, huh?
Nah, your M3? Well, it's always been on the lift. Damn, that's just a monster.
But let's see.
You're gonna try to go full carbon on everything?
Yeah, so we just need the doors, and I mean, that's pretty much everything they make. They don't make anything else.
God damn.
Hey, did you see that one TikTok of some fool on a boat and then the turbo exploded on her face? That scrap metal hit his face?
Was it that fool, Roman Atwood? No.
Yeah.
Turbo blew up in his face.
The YouTuber.
Yeah, on a boat. He was driving a boat.
If I was a cop, I'd for sure impound right here. Oh, let me see the break room. PQ needs to offer Uber services, bro.
Yeah.
The couch? Yeah.
AC up in here. Oh, we're gonna get a racing sim right here. Cool.
Yeah, I've played with one of like arcade shit before, but not like a real one. How much does it cost?
Manny, how much are like the good racing sims?
Starting like 8 bands.
8 bands?
If you want the one that moves, 8 bands.
Yeah, the one that like literally moves and everything. So when all the customers are
That's
here,
called having money.
it's for the customer experience. You know, you come in, you're waiting for your car at PQ. You could drive a little F1 car while you wait.
So what happens if you have little homies pull up like, oh yeah, can I use your simulator today?
Oh, we'll charge them $100.
Hey, you should put a vending machine in here.
What snacks should we put in it?
Some Slim Jim, a Hershey cookies and cream, some Nutella sticks, you know the Nutella on go, a hot pocket with a microwave right here, some cup of noodles, 6 sopa right here while you wait for your turbo to get
What's your
upgraded.
favorite flavor of the Maruchan?
Spicy shrimp and chicken combined.
Just like when you go to a supermarket, you know how people buy the spicy noodles? Like, what do you guys get? Like, do you guys go for Maruchan every time, or which one?
Auto chapa, that's what I grew up on.
I go for like the Asian ones, like the really spicy ones.
Oh, Bulldog.
Yeah.
Oh, those are good too, not gonna lie.
Those are pretty fire.
This right here is what has kept us broke for the past 5 years.
So this
All our money
to
goes-
men is like Gucci or Chanel to
This
women.
Look at it, if you're a girl, the Snap-on truck is a Chanel store.
Oh, no way. You guys just drive and pull up with a shop full of tools?
Yeah, every week.
Sky the Limit has dropped off their G63 Braubus kit. What's going on, brother? Chris, nice to meet you, brother.
Stupid as shit.
Why the f did you laugh like that?
We literally said we had to act irregular.
Okay, so let's point out the obvious. What does this G63 come with?
So this is not your regular G-Wagon right here. It is equipped with a Braubus kit. I'm not sure if you purchased it like this or got the kit done somewhere else. Really nice kit, really nice put together. But that's not what it came to PQ for.
It actually came to PQ for multiple things. Custom tune, intakes, and he's doing downpipes.
But not just any intakes. We're doing some carbon fiber intakes, downpipes, CPC module, transmission tune, ECU tune. Customer had the special request. He wants it to shoot flames, so we're gonna try to accomplish that. This truck is actually gonna be moving pretty quick. For what it is, a G-Wagon, a big body, seems to be fast.
And I don't think I've seen flames coming out of G63s like that. Are those intakes gonna be like, hey, they're gonna have that turbo sound?
Yeah, it should.
So it's gonna hear the...
What does it sound like right now?
Right now, it's pretty stock. It has stock downpipes. I think he did some custom work to the exhaust. It sounds pretty good, but it's gonna sound a lot
Look at the
better.
interior though. You got that red gut.
Shout out to the homies from Sky's the Limit. If you guys haven't checked out the clothing brand, they're killing it.
They have the Sky's the Limit air freshener. That's so cool.
Oh, they do. Shout out to them, man.
Were this carbon?
No, but he does want them carbon. Thing about body kits is like, how can you make your car stand out, especially in Los Angeles? If you drive down to Rodeo Drive, I guarantee you're gonna see at least 5 to 10 Urises, maybe 5 to 10 G-Wagons. You're gonna see all kinds of S-classes. You're gonna see these cars everywhere here in LA. So if you really wanna stand out, customize your car, you gotta do some type of customization to the body, whether it's wrap, a Braubus kit, a Renegade kit, Mansory kit, whatever the thing is, you have to stand out here in LA because everybody has these cars.
It's like if they're giving them out for free, bro. Literally go to Glendale, every stop, you'll see one.
You'll see at least, I guarantee you stop by Glendale, you're gonna see anywhere from 10 to 15 G-Wagons. Rodeo Drive, you're gonna see 5 to 10 Urises. They're just everywhere here in LA.
But what you won't see is a Braubus kit, G63.
What is it pushing right now as far as like horsepower?
Stock, so I think it's probably like 5
Don't,
something.
don't quote us on this, but once we're done with the tune, it should be right around
1200 wheel horsepower.
12,000. Once we're done with the CPC tune, ECU tune, and the transmission tune, it should be above 700 wheel.
Dice que la bolsa del aire le explotó. ¿Cuál? Oh, es un Honda. La que viene con 3 llantas nomás. Low, disclose, brake fluid, el filtro de aire, complete fuel system service. Oh, they're trying to get her. 450?
There you go. You have dealerships trying to get kind lady that helps us out here at PQ. We're gonna do it for 2,000 for here at PQ.
Le digo a él que le ordene todo esto porque nomás es el filtro y el aceite y todo. Y ahí nomás nos da para las coquitas.
We got Dandy's McLaren 720S. We had just done the whole carbon kit.
The 720, like without all this carbon, kind of looks like, it's just a 720. But once you do this, bro, with the BBS wheels, it like stands out like crazy, bro.
Like it's a whole complete different car.
It honestly gives me like 765 vibes with all the carbon. Obviously with this too, right?
He did bring it back because we are going to be doing downpipes, exhaust, and tune.
And the tome da. But this one, keep in mind that it is gonna shoot some crazy flames. Probably the flames, to be honest, I like to like right here.
So this one could to shoot maybe like.
Cause it'll have anti-lag.
No, I don't think we're gonna equip it with anti-lag. We can though.
Yeah, we should.
Okay. But that's an extra $30,000.
Fuck, you got it.
I seen a video like on Instagram, maybe like last week. The flames, like, kid you not, were like this big.
But what if it like came from right here, like this, and like that, or like this, right here?
Look how long it took for us to spend money here, because we were trying to get a budget.
Okay, fool. What about when customers are like, hey, can I use your restroom? And you gotta get the door and go.
Oh my goodness, bro.
Fool, literally yesterday, I was working on the laptop. He comes in. Bro, did you see that? I'm like, what? That fine shit in the mirror.
Right next to me, we have a beautiful GTR belonging to FaZe Adapt. So he contacted us to go ahead and do a custom exhaust on it. So you guys can see we did equip it with Valvetronic full exhaust, catback exhaust. It is with the valves open. And that is with the valves closed. This beast just needed the sound to be unleashed, and that is exactly what we did. So if you have a GTR and you want to get better sound, better performance, rap, whatever it is that you want to do, go ahead and hit us up here at PG Performance.
Can you explain to me how it works? I've never had it. I close it like click in the middle?
Yeah, the middle.
Okay.
You open it, you click it twice, and then show.
It's just those close, open, and close? Oh, that's calm. To
Yeah,
open
this
it
is to open it, this
close
is to close it. Yeah. Like you can literally like just keep pressing it and that shit will open or close. But the thing is that it's a bit louder, bro. But if you wanted to make it like way louder, the downpipe's gotta go.
Are these the stock downpipes?
OEM, yeah.
Okay. How much louder would it get?
Way louder. And you're tuned already?
Oh, I think did a little bit, yeah, small tune.
So you could do like a custom tune and actually do like a full 91 tune where it's gonna be a lot faster, but you can constantly keep up the 91. No, you probably wouldn't want to go
Yes?
like,
That's the premium already, right?
Yeah.
I come only 91.
Yeah, on this one, what people like to do, they like full E85, which is the race fuel.
Yeah.
But I'm pretty sure you probably won't like that. We tune it on like just 91 on premium, and it'll still be way faster.
Car would be faster?
Yeah, faster. If you wanted to shoot like crazy flames, it'll shoot crazy flames.
We were talking about that with Ray too. Maybe that could be the next step, yeah. If it makes it louder and faster.
And they sound way better, bro, without the downpipes.
I just take them out, or do I gotta put new ones in?
No, we gotta put new ones in. I mean, next time we do the performance, you wanna do a rap? I mean, this color's sick.
I'm definitely going to do one, it's just when. I like the white for now, and I've had it for a little bit. This year at some point too, I wanna do the white and make it gray.
So you wanna make it like the truck?
No, different. I have a photo, I'll show you.
Oh,
I'm rocking with the white for now.
White looks really sick.
What do you think of the sound?
Let me double check real quick. Is it? Wait, that's day and night, bro. Yeah, that's kind of fire.
Yeah?
That's kind of fire, yeah.
You like it with the tune, bro?
Yeah, I think that's level 2, the next set. So we're gonna make it faster and louder.